My two front teeth have fell out. My gums, everything. My teeth were a mess. So I started looking and I found 21D on social media. I did shop about, but my own dentist, I just got mucked about. Every 6 months going to my dentist for me checkups and whatever, yeah. My teeth really deteriorated. I had to have the first two front teeth out. That was it, and then I had to have a denture in. And that wasn't me, because it was ill-fitting. I wanted this doing or I wanted something else doing, and they just weren't listening. Because I got told I had gum disease, my bones were receding. It's your age, you're getting on, this is what happens. I checked it all here and it wasn't, it was fine. I looked on reviews, someone else who'd come here, I got recommended by, they'd had theirs done, and then when I first come up for that first appointment, I was blown away. My son was with me, he's only 30, he said to me, if I needed anything, Mum, later on, I'll be here. And it was just so professional. And they spoke to you like you were a human being. Fantastic, 10 out of 10, really. They explain everything and they're just welcoming. They are, you know. If I had any questions, they'd stop, well, we'll go through it. Yeah, I've never had so many scans on my teeth since the last 12 months that I had for years with my other. So, all good, all good. It's brought back my confidence 1,000-fold. It really has. And I remember when I first had it done, I said to my son, oh, I can't wait to have a steak. I hadn't had steak in a long, because you can't chew properly. So I had my steak and it was rare. Absolutely beautiful. I wouldn't dream of doing something like this. This wouldn't be happening. It just wouldn't, because I'd shy away from that. I do a lot more now than I did before, because I used to have my hand on my face when I was talking, and my son used to say, stop it, Mum, but it was just natural to do that. So confidence has grown, and up here is total mind change, total mind change. I didn't want people to say, oh, you've had your teeth done. No. And I've met so many more people who've had it done, and they just go, wow, have you had it done? They look so natural. They were just amazed. But they are the shape of my own teeth. Everything about them's my teeth. Honestly, they're so professional. They put arms around you and explain everything to you that you just think, no, this is the right place to be. I know it's a big expense, but it's well worth it. It really is. And it's state of the art. I've never been anywhere like this.